Welcome friends. Today I would like to solve the first assignment. In this assignment we will convert one unit to another. So this is the main assignment, how we will like to solve it and how would we solve it. So here I am going to start it. So firstly in this I'm writing item stock units, and this is the important thing, equivalent units in centimeter, then units, then rate per centimeter, then stroke value. So click on this and wrap text so you can see, and also this is the same like that. So I'm writing item 1, then click on this and autofill. Stock is already mentioned, 25, 37 and 125. So units, feet, millimeters and inches, and click centimeter. Here we have to convert all the units in centimeter, so apply formula here, convert, bracket start, this is the number and this is from unit, and this is to unit, and enter, and click on this and autofill this. So this is the main output, how would you convert one unit to another. And next is weight per centimeter, that is also already mentioned. For example, 32, 25 and 39. Then in stroke value, simply click this and multiply weight per centimeter. So you have to multiply this value and you can see the first result, and simply autofill this and you are getting the same value. At last, this is the sum of the stroke values. So I'm again applying the formula is equal to sum and selecting this and enter this. So this is the assignment that is dedicated where we are converting one unit to another, and I'm applying borders, and you can apply formatting, and you can also apply colors. Okay, so this is the assignment that we have done, but now I would like to share some tricks where you can clearly see that you are doing your units in right way or not. Like we all know about 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So I'm checking is this formula is correct or not. I'm writing here 1, here kilometers, and here meters. So I'm applying again this formula is equal to convert. This is the number, this is from unit, and this is to unit. So this is 1000 meter. So this formula is 100% correct, and you can apply this on multiple units where you want to convert one unit to another. So we will from now onwards we will discuss daily about some assignments, and we will solve this. And so this is all about for today. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you very much.